Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to this week's news bulletin with myself, Jabulani Sinyazo, and Maurice Leroux, where we will be bringing you news that is making headlines in and around Rustenburg. Maurice, I'm sure you're going to tell them what's on the front page.
Ja, hierdie week se voorblad is baie goeie nuus aan 3 jong entrepreneurs in die gemeenskap. The Grow Your Small Business competition was recently concluded by Waterfall Mall, along with us and a few other sponsors, and our 3 winners are featured on the front page. So ons sê baie geluk aan hierdie jong besighede wat nou net vorentoe gedryf kan word. So die wenners was Relate, en dit is Dorit Sankel, dan Leilapa Tours and Travels, Anzel Norkie, en Tegofatsun Putle from Tego M Creations. Well done. Read the entire story of these 3 businesses on page 8.
Well, after interviewing them, both of us, 3 of us, we can conclude that they are telling aspiring entrepreneurs one message is to never give up. So on the much sadder news, we are announcing the funeral arrangement of Sergeant Ngobeni, who was attached to the Rustenburg Magistrates Court. Her funeral arrangement, every information about that is on page 10 of this week's edition of the Rustenburg Herald.
Ja, may she rest in peace. We thank her for her service. Dan op bladsy 26, wel, dit was nou vir my 'n regtig lekker geleentheid as 'n oud onderwyser. I attended the annual fashion show that also doubles as a mid-year exam, and this is of Verve College. Now, those of you who are not familiar with the school, they focus more on the creative side, entrepreneurial business skills, really a great foundation to build for every youngster. En hulle jaarlikse showcase, daar's nie 'n ander woord vir dit nie, het plaasgevind verlede Vrydag en gesien gerus die jong ontwerpers se foto's, die kledingstukke wat daar uitgestel is. Dit was regtig iets om te sien. Well done to all of them. We wish them well in their future designing careers.
And then I'm going to close off with our monthly blank space art competition. The inscriptions, they are very low. So we have asked the people of Rustenburg who are talented to please enter this competition, because you can stand a chance to win 2,000 Rand. 1,000 Rand for one person, 1,000 Rand for the other person, and you can also stand a chance to win a grand prize of more than 10,000 shopping voucher at the end of the year. So please fill in and see if you can be successful with that.
Maybe you and I should enter. Since no one else is entering, I can do with 1,000 Rand.
So on that note, we say we will see you again, same time, same place next week.
Keep well. Remember to get your free copy of the Rustenburg Herald at all our distribution points.